can see the free material like I explained earlier. Look at the plans and the prices, and then you also look at the blog aspect of it. The Bango search engine optimization blog. You have the knowledge hub for these people, our subscriber, the ultimate guide. All these are valuable for you. You can read our articles and case studies, and equally you see how other people have been benefiting from using this our product. And look at it, the most useful Google search operator, and how you can use them for your home business and other business you want to work on. There are a lot of things this our product offers. Is very good. Within 78 hours, you find that you might have put your product, your business at the front of millions of people from all over the world. You can start your free trial today, and then by the time you make money, or you can subscribe to the monthly prices. And I recommend the premium or the agency type, which is good for your corporate business. Now we have other things. Look at this place. You can see the set for any location, meaning that you can get look at anywhere they look at your product. They dig into search result, set features, click through, and up to 45% of search engine optimization metric. All are for more than 52k locations all over the country, cities and regions all over the world. Look at this place. You can track your ranking at any time, any day. Look at this place. You can see all this. You can track your business, the keyword find down, and the keyword analysis, and the keyword volume. And then look at this place, keyword tools, and the keyword search, and free keyword tools. All these are available for you. Look at the performance index. You can view your business anytime, any day. And let's go to find powerful backlink. Backlink is also very important in this thing, meaning that you can able, through the backlink, you can able to retract and to retarget your audience wherever you go, meaning that you can retarget them and do it again and send your product to them, send value to them, and they become your customer through the value. What customer buy is the value, not the product. So we are showing you that our staff are standing by to show you the value and how it works, especially the area of frequent asked questions. And so backlink is very important when it comes to online marketing. It's now the backlink preview directly the tools instead of getting stuck with the tens of browser tabs. Find the best backlink with our product here. You can filter it. Look at this place. So many companies are here. And then let's go to check the competitor. Check the competitor. Look at this place now. Check your competitor's website authority. Put your competitor under a spotlight using the essential search engine optimization authority and popularity metrics and the leak profile insight. Meaning that whatever business you are inside, you have competitors. Do not forget that you have competitors, and they are ready to push you out of the business. And that is why we are referring this particular product for you today. You can start tonight and start making money on your business and rank very high on Google. Now, we should not forget that our competitors are around us. They are ready to push us out of the business. And with this, you can look at this. This is a domain authority. We have page authority. We have a custom flow, customer flow, citation flow, trusted flow. We have the referral IP. That means that the world has over millions of IP computer, including desk computer and phone, and also the laptop. So you should, with our product, you can easily look at the IP ID, which is very, very important. The one that is coming from Canada, the one that is coming from Nigeria, Kenya, India, Sierra Leone, UK, France, Netherlands, and many other countries all over the world. And of course, one of the organic source of traffic is the Facebook. You can look at here, our product offer a Facebook share, which amount to 55.991%. I mean, if you get 55.91% of total people that visit Facebook every day is to your business, the traffic is amazing. It's amazing. So you can look at the backlink profile. All these accessories are valuable in our things. That is how far we can go on this short video presenting this our Juice CSO tools. You will love and you will make it very, very simple. Of course, we have been in the business since 2014, and many companies by this lockdown they have subscribed to our product and they are making wave. The lockdown all over the world is not only in Africa, it's all over the world. Many people are working from home. For those of you who want to be working from home, you can have your laptop, you can use your phone, you can use your desktop, in as far as you have internet connectivity. So I encourage you to subscribe to our product today, wherever you are. All you need to do is to go to Google and you will overview this. But what you need to do now for you to enjoy maximum services, from our service is what you need to do is if you love this video and you want to receive more of this video as far as online business is concerned, affiliate marketing is concerned, how to sell your product very fast on Google and other social media, please subscribe to our video, click the notification bell and make sure you subscribe to our video. And do not forget, before you leave this page, please, I want you to get this product. I have used it. I have an evidence that is doing well on my business. And but that is not what I'm going to show you today. You need evidence of your own. So I want you, if you need this product, like we have just explained, it is very easy. From 11, 18, even 10 years old boy who is smart on the system can do it. If you can watch a YouTube video, you can do it. If you can watch game on your phone, you can do it, especially to put your business before the people. So there is a referral link at the end of this video. There's a referral link at the end of this video. That is the Mango's tools. There's a referral link which will give you more advantage. If I encourage you, click the link below and subscribe to it right now. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video. Good night.